Yo, do you want to listen to the radio?
Sure, throw it on.
And now for the 123rd time today, the number one song in the world, Sell Out.
Well, that was entertaining. But so rude!
They probably just reacted that way because of your faces.
Haha, very funny. So this is what humans call style. Guess it'll do.
Well, sister, I guess the music of this planet must have lost its soul enough for us to wind up here.
Yes, it sure is ugly. Why don't we do what we do best and then leave this awful place?
Freedom!
So, now that you're done with high school, what are you gonna do?
You mean, like, right now?
No, silly. Remember you applied to that music conservatory up north? Is that still your plan?
Well, I wanted to, but my live performance at the entrance exam wasn't that great. I barely made it in and would only be a substitute in case of all the guitarists got sick or something.
Oh, well, don't give up. You're a great musician. I'm pretty sure if you practice some more and reapply next semester, you'll definitely get the part.
Thanks, Katie. What about you? You have amazing grades, and you're probably the best flute player in the state. Any big plans?
Well, I've decided to take the year off and travel a little. Kind of find myself. My dad wants me to do a music major, but my mom wants me to study something traditional like law or medicine. That way, if I take the year off and find myself, I'm sure I'll figure out what I want to do.
That's a great idea. Find what makes you happy. Hey, I have to swing by the music store to pick up some guitar strings. Want to join me?
Sure.
Hey guys.
What's up?
Hey.
Louis needed guitar strings, so we're gonna go to the store. Want to join us?
Ooh, that sounds cool. Wish we could, but we have plans already.
Yeah, some other time. But hey, you should check out the music shop off Main Road on the west side of town. I think you should have everything you need.
Oh yeah, you definitely want to have a look around.
Thanks for the suggestion.
Alright, I'll catch you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Welcome to... Oh, hey Louis.
What's up, Katie? I don't know about this place.
Be nice. Hey, Paul. I didn't know you worked here.
It's actually my first day. What brings you guys in?
Louis needed guitar strings, and Tanner and Ray suggested this place.
They were actually the ones who told me this place was hiring. Guitar strings are gonna be down the hall and to the right. Have a look around and I'll be here when you guys want to check out.
Will do.
Katie, Louis, what's up? We just graduated and we still end up here. Small world.
We're like small town. Even Paul's here too.
Don't mind him, Lindsay. I don't understand the whole Paul rivalry thing. How are you, girl?
I'm good. I'm just here to learn some new songs.
Have you been here before? It's a pretty cool shop.
No, this is my first time.
You, wanna go check out the store with us?
Sure.
Hey, isn't that Freddie?
Yeah. Didn't he graduate last year on a football scholarship? I didn't know he played the drums.
He injured his knee in the last season of the game. I guess he lost his scholarship soon after.
Oh.
Well, I got my guitar strings. Let's get out of here.
Yeah.
So, phosphorus. What do you think of the shop?
It's great.
Yeah, you have a great selection of instruments.
And sheet music.
I've only been working here a day, but I already feel like I'm part of a family.
Whoa, full house. Great. Now that you're all here, let's get down to business.
I just came here to buy some strings, sir.
That may be what brought you here, but that's not why you're here. You five are all great musicians, full of life and promise. Your souls don't just play the music, they experience them. On top of that, you are all very good people with great characteristics. These attributes are exactly why you have been chosen.
Chosen for what?
Wait a minute. Don't tell me Louis is gonna start working here now.
Like I would want to work with you.
Thanks, but I don't need a job right now.
Guys, let him finish.
I have lived for millennia on this planet, both as a keeper and protector of the world of sound. Where there is noise, there is music. Where there are instruments, art. I have been called many of names over these centuries, but the most commonly one I go by is Maestro.
Cool magic trick, man. But what does this have to do with us?
Every day, every month, every year, the world loses its appreciation for creating true and beautiful music. Radio stations continue to promote mediocrity, and society settles for music without soul. This has allowed for true evil to inhabit our planet, and you five will protect it.
And what are we supposed to do?
And what is this evil you're talking about?
Symphona and Synestra have arrived on Earth. Sisters who prey on sound with no rhythm or soul. They intend on feeding on the soul of all music until there is nothing left.
And how exactly are we gonna stop them?
Challenge them to a battle of the bands.
These are your Gemminizers. They each will grant you the power necessary to be able to defend yourselves and this planet. Each of you are so unique, and so too will be the powers you possess. However, together you will all harmonize into something unlike the world has ever seen or heard.
We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming to bring you this special bulletin. 2 women have been seen attacking Baritone Park with what appears to be men dressed in cosplay.
It's already begun. So, what do you say? Do you accept your duty, or do you stand idly by?
Well, when you put it like that.
Yeah, what choice do we have?
I don't know.
Getting up on stage for the big show can be scary, but it's also quite a rush.
I think I know what you mean by that, but I definitely don't want to stand by when there are people we can help. I'm in.
Freddy's ready.
Well, if Louis is in.
Together?
Together.
That must be them!
So, you must be Symphona and Synestra.
Actually, I'm Symphona, and she's Synestra.
Did you all come to join us?
Actually, we're here to ask you to stop. Please.
Freddy!
What?
They're not just gonna stop because you asked them. They're the bad guys.
Try.
Didn't you used to play that barbaric sport?
This is not barbaric, it's a game. With rules. This is not a game. We'll have rules. They're scary.
So you're here to try and stop us? That's rich.
We'd like to see you try. Let's see if you can handle this tune.
Dead notes, attack!
Spit up!
You know, my lover not a fighter, but that's whoa.
Not cool! You think they'll be stronger than carrying the guitar? Alright, pretty straight for the win.
Right! I'd really rather not. Guys, I'm fast! Like, really fast! You guys asked for it.
So strength, speed, healing, and screaming? Maybe I can fly? Guess not. Invulnerability! Invulnerability!
Not bad. Not bad at all.
Let's see if you can defeat us so easily.
Team, you must use your Gemini interchange if you want to stand a chance against them in these forms. Ready, guys?
Ready!
Let's jam!
Whoa, this feels awesome! What have I become?
Wow. Cool. Alright.
Finally. Oh, I'm a superhero! A superhero! Superhero! Right. Back to business. The dynamic musician, ready to shred the tune!
The strong musician, striking like the strings of a harp.
the smooth musician, where precision meets technique.
The loud musician with a fine piercing tone.
The upbeat musician bringing the rhythm to the beat.
When we harmonize, we rock!
So you're the one who inherited the maestro's power.
We were wondering when he'd show up. Guess he has children doing his dirty work for him.
No matter, sister. Till next time.
Laters, losers.
You know they're gonna follow us, right?
Then let's leave him a present. Rise!
They must have teleported over here.
They could be anywhere.
Keep your eyes peeled.
Where are they at?
And exactly why are we chasing the scary bad guys?
What?
Whoa, you've got to be kidding me.
Great.
Game time.
Don't worry, guys. We got this.
We'll take care of him.
All right, get him.
Whoa! You okay?
Are you kidding me?
I got you.
You alright?
I'm fine. Go get him, guys.
Follow my lead.
Double whammy? You're on!
Here I come!
You good?
Alright, my turn.
Get him, Lewis.
You got this. You aren't so tough. Not you too.
Wow.
Alright, guys. Let's try this as a team. Feel the beat? Bring it on!
Okay, that was cool.
Yeah, you were awesome out there.
You both were pretty awesome out there.
Okay, awesome and cool are not words that I would use to describe what just happened. Plus, I'm so hungry.
Super speed, super fast metabolism, amigo.
You all did very well today.
Thanks, Maestro.
And for that, I'm very proud of each and every one of you.
Kind of crazy how we all ended up here, huh?
Yeah.
Not that crazy.
Hey, what are you guys doing here?
We asked my maestro to bring you all in.
That is correct. Tanner and Ray helped me bring you all together. But you all decided to stay on your own accord. And for that, you have earned your place.
So, what do we call ourselves?
How about the Sound Squadron?
Ooh. What about Sonic superheroes?
Audio Avengers?
The Musical Marauders.
If I may. From now on, you all will be known as the Jammingers.